Well, some people in Polokwane are optimistic that the ANC's 110th celebration to be held on Saturday will assist their businesses to recover from financial losses due to the impact of COVID-19. Small traders from various parts of the country have been selling merchandise outside the entrances of the ANC provincial office in Polokwane. Accommodation in the city is also fully booked. Pimani Baloy has more from Polokwane.
The tourism sector in Limpopo has seen an economic boost this week due to activities that are related to the ANC's birthday celebrations. The celebrations have been spread across the province, with various leaders visiting various districts in the province to speak to various community leaders to ensure that they support the ANC. But to speak more about this economic boost, we speak to the chairperson of Women in Tourism in the province, Ms. Grace. My Grace, let's speak about the activities that have been happening this week. I understand there's been an economic boost. Please paint us a picture. What's been happening?
Thank you very much. My name is Grace Ibarra. I'm the chairperson of Limpopo Women in Tourism. Yes, there's a big boost in the economy in Limpopo. We are happy because as the tourism industry, we've been trying to recover. We've been trying to be engaged in various activities to make money, to make profit. And we are excited this weekend actually, because here is the ANC conference in Limpopo, especially in Polokwane, because now as one of the entrepreneurs in the tourism industry, in the accommodation sector, we are fully booked. And we make sure as tourism, Limpopo Women in Tourism, we make sure that all our establishments are fully booked. We are collaborating amongst one another. We are giving out accommodation, everything. Everybody's just busy. And this is what we actually wanted. This is what is called tourism recovery. Yes, we thank this conference for coming to Polokwane. And it's not only Polokwane, which is really, which is busy. Also areas surrounding Polokwane. Some people are booked also as far as Makado, Libuahomo. I'm at Libuahomo now because I'm attending an event, and some of the establishments here are fully booked. Establishment at Mukopane, they are fully booked. All the surrounding areas of Polokwane, we are happy, we are excited, we are recovering.
Talking of this recovery from COVID-19, how significant is it? Looking at people have even lost, like some businesses have had to let go of their staffers. Is there a significant recovery that will lead to the creation of employment and things like that?
Of course, because now as tourism entrepreneurs, we recovered all the people. We called back all the people who were not working. They're busy working this weekend. We just hope that it doesn't end this weekend only, because remember, when we host our guests, we make sure that we give them the best customer service so that next week, next month, next year they come back again. So this is good for us, and our employees are working. Yeah, for starters, we are happy, we are excited.
But other than the tourism and the accommodation sector, which other sectors are we looking at also making a decent living this week? Looking at people who are selling merchandise outside on the streets, hoping for people to buy this.
We are also happy as I'm going to talk as chairperson of Limpopo Women in Tourism, because we are partnering with Lidet. We are happy because Lidet also is saying all those product owners who are selling their wares, let them go out there and do their best in terms of selling whatever they are selling. And we are saying also our members who are selling your arts and crafts, people who are selling food, we are saying let us do our best, let us give our guests the best so that they can come back for more.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That is the chairperson of tourism in Limpopo, Women in Tourism in Limpopo, telling us about how significant hosting this birthday celebration is for business people in Limpopo. From myself and my colleague, Ulisani Lebebe, it's back to you in studio.